The universe encompasses everything, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies, including the very existence of space, time, and life. But how did it all begin? The origin of the universe is the origin of everything, and many scientific theories, along with creation myths from various cultures, have sought to explain its mysterious beginning. However, the most widely accepted explanation is the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory proposes that the universe began as a hot, infinitely dense point not much larger than a few millimeters across, similar to a supercharged black hole. About 13.7 billion years ago, this tiny singularity violently expanded, creating all matter, energy, space, and time. After the initial expansion, the universe went through two major stages of evolution: the radiation era and the matter era. The radiation era, defined by the dominance of radiation because of the Big Bang, included smaller stages called epochs. The earliest was the Planck epoch, during which no matter existed, only energy and the ancestor to the four fundamental forces of nature. The superforce. A key event at the end of this stage was the separation of gravity from the superforce. Next was the grand unification epoch, where the remaining three unified forces existed together. This epoch ended when the strong nuclear force broke away. Following this was the inflationary epoch, a phase of rapid expansion during which the universe grew from the size of an atom to that of a grapefruit. During this period, the universe was extremely hot and filled with particles like electrons and quarks. In the electro-wake epoch, the final two forces, electromagnetic and weak, separated. During the quark epoch, all the ingredients of the universe were present, but it was still too hot for subatomic particles to form. The hadron epoch marked the cooling of the universe, allowing quarks to bind and form protons and neutrons. The final stages of the radiation era, the lepton and nuclear epoch, saw significant changes as protons and neutrons fused, creating nuclei and the first element in the universe, helium. The matter era followed, defined by the predominance of matter. It began with the atomic epoch, during which the universe cooled enough for electrons to attach to nuclei through a process called recombination, forming hydrogen, the universe's second element. These hydrogen and helium atoms created clouds of atomic gas, and within those clouds, gravity began to pull atoms together, forming the first galaxies. During the galactic epoch, stars started forming inside these galaxies, marking the beginning of the current stellar epoch. The heat generated within stars allowed for the conversion of hydrogen and helium into almost all the other elements. These elements became the building blocks for planets, moons, and life, everything we see today. The intricate development of the universe, shaped by these stages, gave rise to the cosmos we inhabit. While many questions about the origins of the universe remain, new discoveries continue to bring us closer to answers.